Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 6B corridor baselines. This video illustrates A. Default corridor settings, B. Create primary road left and right baselines, C. Create side road left and right baselines, and D. Create curb return baselines. Corridors are created using the alignments, profiles, and assemblies previously created and consist of one or more baselines, with each baseline consisting of one or more regions. Generally, only one corridor is created for all roads within a project area. To correctly model the corridor at intersections, each road will have a left and right baseline, with each baseline containing regions for the various right and left assemblies associated therewith. Set the corridor defaults, tool space settings, right-click corridor, edit feature settings, expand default styles. The parameters for each style component has previously been set. Expand the default name format. The parameters for each name template has previously been set. OK. Set the corridor command defaults, expand corridor, expand commands, right-click create corridor, edit command settings, expand assembly insertion defaults. The parameter for each insertion default has previously been set. The defaults contain the spacing of the corridor section lines. Generally, the spacing along tangents are at a greater distance than the spacing along curves. OK. Create the Kincaid crown left baseline, home ribbon, create design panel, corridor icon, name, Kin corridor, corridor style Atkins, corridor layer C3D-corridor, alignment, select the Kin crown, profile, Kin crown-centerline, assembly, select Kin 16-foot left, target surface, existing surface with aerial, set baseline and region parameters, yes. Place checkmark in box, OK. The baseline and region parameters dialog box will appear with one baseline and one region. Modify the Kin crown left baseline. Pick the baseline name BL Kin crown. Pick the name the second time. Add -LT to the name. Enter. The alignment should be Kin crown, profile, Kin crown centerline, start station 10+00, and end station 10+64.66. OK. Mark the corridor as out of date. In the events panorama, action, clear all events, close the panorama. The corridor will be rebuilt after all targets are set. Set corridor rebuild to manual, prospector, expand corridors, right-click Kin corridor. If there is a check mark, depress the rebuild automatic. If there is no check mark, depress escape key. Right-click, no check mark, escape. The Kin crown left corridor is shown along the entire alignment with lines showing the location of the corridor sections. Create the Kin crown right baseline in prospector. Corridors, right-click Kin corridor, properties, select add baseline, baseline name, baseline alignment, -RT, horizontal alignment, Kin crown, OK. Select click here, select a profile, Kin crown centerline, OK. Do not depress OK to clear the Create Corridor dialog box at this time. Add all baselines before depressing OK. Create the 44 south, left, and right baselines. Select the Add Baseline button. Baseline name BL-baseline alignment -LT. Horizontal alignment 44 south. OK. Add baseline. Baseline name -RT 44 south. OK. Click here for the left baseline. 44 south centerline. OK. Click here for the right. 44 south centerline. OK. Repeat for all side roads without depressing OK to clear the Create Corridor dialog box. The left and right baselines for all side roads have been created and are shown in the dialog box. Create the 44th Southwest and Southeast curb return baselines. Select Add Baseline. Baseline name BL-Baseline Alignment. Horizontal alignment CR 44 Southwest. OK. Add Baseline. CR 44th Southeast. OK. Click here in the profile. The profile should be correct. OK. For this video, all curb return profiles and baselines have been created and are shown in the Corridor Properties dialog box. Depress OK to clear the dialog box. Mark the corridor as out of date. Rebuild the corridor. Right-click Can Corridor. Rebuild. Clear all events. The targets have not yet been set. Close panorama. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.